Box. I got a box. Hello. So, I was going to record walking to my door and meeting the UPS driver, but he didn't knock on my door. So, I saw it was delivered and I had to make a video. Excuse my voice. I am sick. So, anyways, I was super excited. So, I kind of really wanted to make a video. Oopsie. So let's open this box. From the title, you know what the hell this is. And I'm sure that tons and tons and tons and tons and tons of people are making videos, but damn it. But anyways, there's a sticker on the front of the box. There we go. No more sticker. There we go. Yay. This is a Note 10 Plus. Ah, there we go. It's an interesting box design. I'm currently recording with my Note 8. So I'm moving from a Note 8 to a Note 10 Plus. And I do have a case. I have a armadillo case on the way also, but this one got here already. Oh, yeah. Look at that. So there's dust all over it. That's interesting. The plastic's slightly peeled up. Oh, that is beautiful. Anyway, so we got a SIM card, which I don't need. Don't need that. Little pulley thing. We have another booklet. Don't need this device. This device is protected with a screen protector. If you remove it and want us to use a different protector, make... fuck, I don't care. So we have a C to A adapter, our 25 watt charger. So I'm kind of curious what the voltages are. So we have universal power. So this is a 110 or 240 volt charger. You guys, yeah, you can. So we got 5 volts at 3 amps, 9 volts at 2.77 amps, 3.5 to 5.9 at 3 amps, or 3.3 to 11 at 2.25. So this is a 25. Oh, yeah, it just come in a bag. Okay, never mind. We have our SIM tray popper. We have... Where'd that go? I found it. We have 2 nibs and the nib puller. We have our C2C cable. And we have our AKG headphones with Type-C connector. And that's it. Sweet. Okay. So first off, let's just go ahead and pull that off. And we'll go ahead and turn it on. Interesting. So it does have a screen protector built into it, which I'm not really sure about me liking it or not. Let's try it. There we go. That time it turned on. Anyways, let's read what this says. If you remove it and want to use a different screen protector, make sure it allows for use of all touchscreen features, and that's and a bunch of warranty garbage gook. Setting up Android. Let's go. Hooray. Anyways, so I'm going to go ahead and get this set up and all that fun stuff. Thank you for checking out my unboxing. Bye-bye.